I feel like a new person, a totally new person, inside and out.
This was Miriam before she had bariatric surgery. She weighed more than 300 pounds and had numerous problems.
Before I had surgery, I was wearing a CPAP, and I also had problems with my knees and back, not just my back. I only could do water therapy. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, and I was very, very depressed about who I was as a person. I remember when I was heavier and I was, well, let's face it, I was over 300 pounds, and I was trying to do an elliptical. So not only did I have to weigh that much standing on an elliptical and worry if it was going to break, there was several people in the gym standing behind me, staring at me. So that was traumatic in itself. I am very grateful now that I can go into the gym. I don't have to worry about what is the weight limit on this machine, and I don't care if there's people standing behind me, beside me, in front of me, wherever. It doesn't bother me now.
She enjoys many kinds of exercise now that she's lost 136 pounds, and since she had lap band surgery, her health problems have all but disappeared.
My blood pressure is under control. My triglycerides and my cholesterol are under control, and I do not have to wear a CPAP to sleep anymore, and I do not have to wear a back brace to walk around. I don't even have to take pain medication. It's been the best experience that I could ever have. I feel so much better as a person, and I never weighed below 200 pounds since I was 15, so it's just a wonderful experience. And I just, for anybody that could feel the way that I do, they should do it.